Hello friends, I am glad to see you on the Mega Electron Wallet YouTube channel. Today we are repairing a computer power supply, a 700 watts unit. The unit does not turn on. We are checking the defect. I supply power to the unit. The capacitor inside the power supply are charging. The lamp blinked. Power consumption is about 3 watts. The standby power supply is working. The blue LED is on. The LED glows dimly. We are checking the voltage of the standby source. The voltage is less than 4 volts. Standby power supply is not working properly. I open the unit. I am expecting it. The standby power supply area. The main microcircuit. The high voltage area. Be careful. The low voltage area. We are checking the capacitor. We are using an oscilloscope. Unstable power supply. Large pulses. The unit cannot work properly. The capacitor resistance is more than 10 ohms. This element needs to be replaced. Desoldering a strange capacitor. It clearly looks good. Let's compare. I do a test. Excellent new parameters. The new capacitor is wonderful. We change the capacitor and check. The gray graph is the old values. The yellow graph is the new values. The capacitor works well. The voltage is very stable. The voltage is normal. This is simply excellent. We check the voltage. The voltage is about 5 volts. This is normal. We check under load. We check the standby power supply. I use a dynamical load. Current 1 ampere is okay. Current 2 amperes. Voltage is about 5 volts. The standby power supply is restored. The standby power supply is working properly. We check the operation of the computer power supply. I supply power. I press the button on the tester. The power supply turned on. The fan began to spin merrily. I also felt cheerful. And you? I like to repair. I enjoy it. Finishing test. Connect the load. Load equivalent to a computer. The unit holds voltage. All lines are normal. Checking the power good signal. The signal is present. Power good time is about 300 milliseconds. This is normal. Do you like electronics? Subscribe. Click like. Write your ideas. Share your ideas with us. Mega Electron Volt channel will help you become happier. Mega Electron Volt channel is your best place for a hobby. You are the best. Good luck, everyone!